In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use the Google Finance function from Google Sheets to get the price of Bitcoin at a particular time and the price of Bitcoin currently. And with that, we're going to build a small tracker that will track some fake transactions. These are not real transactions. And we're going to see what is the result if we are up or down. And the function that I was mentioning is Google Finance. And to get the price in the past, we have to provide 3 parameters. The first one, it is currency, and we're providing BTC from Bitcoin and USD, which is the currency that we would like to see how much one Bitcoin costs. And the second attribute is going to be the price, and the third attribute is going to be the date. And when we hit enter, we're going to get the price of Bitcoin from October 10th, 2016. And just like that, we got it over here, 618, but we got this table, which we really cannot use in our calculations. And so I'm just going to copy this formula, and I'm going to go over here in cell C2, and I'm going to use this index function that will give us only the cell that we need in our calculations. So I'm going to get from the second row, the second column, and when we close the parentheses and we hit enter, we get 618, which is the number over here. And to actually get the cost that we would have paid for this amount of Bitcoin, we just multiply the result of this formula with the value from B2. We hit enter and we get $61. And if we drag the formula down, we got the costs of these transactions, which is pretty useful because you don't have to Google anything. You could just use Google Finance to get the data that you need. And to get the current value, we're using the same function, the Google Finance function, but this time we are providing only the first parameter, and in this case we're going to get the price of Bitcoin today. If we hit enter, we get 46,000, and to get the value that this transaction has today, we multiply it with the value in B2, and when we hit enter, you can see that we are getting today's value of this particular purchase from 2 years ago. And to get the result, we'll simply divide the value in D2 by the value in C2, hit enter. I already applied some conditional formatting over here. It's going to change the color as well, and if we drag this down, we have the results. So apparently, if we would have purchased 0.1 Bitcoins in 2016, we would have paid $61, and it will be worth $4,600 currently.